Hello mathematicians, I hope after watching this video and getting in a little bit of practice you can say I can combine like terms. Let's look at a few examples here. So we're given x plus x plus x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and we know a term is a number by itself or the product of a number and a variable. So we know that our x's are terms, or x is a term, x is a term, x is a term, 1, 1, 1 is a term. And what make them like terms is if they have either the same variable in them or if they are constants, okay? So x's are all the same variables. So what we do is we'd add them together. So we'd add x plus x plus x. So we have 3 x's. So after combining like terms, we get 3x. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, those are all constants. So we'd get 3x plus 3 after we combine our like terms. Let's look at another example. So we're given negative 4a plus 2 plus 6a minus 3. So our like terms are our terms with variables of a in them. So we have negative 4a plus 6a. So negative 4a plus 6a. We're just going to add their coefficients. So negative 4 plus 6 is 2, is a positive 2. So we get 2a. And our other like terms are our constants. So we have 2 minus 3. And we know 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. So we write 2a minus 1. So that would be our expression after we combine like terms. Let's look at another example. So we're given 4x plus 2y plus 2x minus 5y. So even though all of these have variables in them, not all of them have the same variables. So 4x and 2x both have x's in them. We cannot combine an x and a y. We can combine two x's or two terms with x variables, and we can combine our two terms with y variables, but we have to make sure that we're only combining terms that contain the same variables. So we can go 4x plus 2x, that gives us 6x, and now we can go positive 2y minus 5y, which is going, and we know 2 minus 5 is going to be negative 3, so it'd be minus 3y. So it'd be 6x minus 3y after we combine our like terms. Let's look at one last example. So we're given 4x plus 2y minus 2x minus y. And again, we can only combine our terms which have the same variables or are both constants. All of these terms contain variables. So we're going to combine our x's. So 4x minus 2x, that's going to give us 2x. And 2y minus y, that just gives us 1y. So we could write plus 1y, however, 1 times y is just y. So I think it is a little bit more concise and something we should do. If we ever have 1y or a coefficient of 1, let's just get rid of it, okay? So this would be 2x plus y after we combine like terms. So that is it for our video. I hope after watching this and doing a little bit of practice, you can say I can combine like terms.